I really did not want to take this one on. You know, when you got a rangy property, you take on all kinds of stuff. But this high efficiency, on-demand direct vent boiler kind of scared me, honestly. A Buderus boiler, some kind of German manufacturing. And it broke down and it runs the radiators. We have radiant heat in the house, running those old late 19th century radiators that are fantastic. Gas line in, water lines, pumps out, and it stopped working and I didn't know why. And I really didn't want to mess with it because it just seemed beyond my capacity. And, you know, electronics, I don't know. So I paid to have someone diagnose the problem. I was pretty sure it was the fan, the blower fan that was out. But the diagnosis was, I don't know, it was a lot. It was a lot of money. And then the parts, they charge you premium to order parts, even though you could get them for half or less than what the boiler guy will charge you. And the whole thing just looked like it was spiraling out of control. So I just pulled the plug on it. Paid the man too much, in my estimation, for his analysis of the problem, and then decided to just do it myself. So here I am. Look at this. I got a new blower fan online, Supply House. There's the box. Great little place for half what the boiler guy was going to charge me, less than half. Here's the old one. This one seems to be dead. It's blowing fuses, so we'll set that aside. Here's the new one. Comes with new everything you need. New washers, spacers, new screws, and everything you need to put it in. There's also a thing called a Venturi that goes inside of this air intake, and you buy another one of those too, and it doesn't really cost all that much. And then it looks like you bolt it all back on. The fan goes here. The gas line comes in here. Here's some kind of regulator on the gas line. It plugs into the side of this fan in this little hole. And then this baby gets bolted back on going this way. And plug everything in, and in theory it just works. So stay tuned for the follow-up, but I've got the old one taken off, ready to put the new one on, and let's see if it works. It's cold. It snowed 2 days ago. I got fire heat going, but I need a little boiler radiant backup if I can get it. And I think I can.